my dear friends. Good morning. Hope you're having a great day. So today we are going to discuss some of the aggregate functions in Excel. That is sum, average, max, mean, large, small. These are some of the aggregate functions, and we'll see how it is done. So if you see here, we have applied the sum here. Let's do it for you guys so you can do hands-on later. So just type in equal to, put sum here, select the range, close the bracket, and enter. So you see, you get the value sum. Same way, do the average equal to, select the command, select the formula, average, select the range, close the bracket, enter. You get the average. You can to select the max. Same way, equals to max, select the range, close the bracket, enter. So this selects the maximum value. See the maximum value in this table is 9, so you get that 9. So go to minimum, equals to minimum, select the range, close the bracket, you get your answer. And large function. You see the large one is quite tricky. So if you click on equal to and the large, and you see the area, you get the area. Area is nothing but the range. You select the range, and then you need to give a comma. And what does it mean by k? It means you need the which largest number, the first largest, the second largest, the third largest. Let us take the first largest number and close the bracket and enter. You see you get the 9. So 9 is the first largest number. And go to small. You see we have the smaller as well. So if you go to small, just click on small, SML small function, choose the array, comma, again define which smallest number you want, 1, 2, 3, or which one. So I want the first smallest number, select 1, close the bracket, enter, and you see you get the 1. So this is how, guys, these are all the aggregate functions: sum, average, max, mean, large, and small. Please stay tuned to my channel, subscribe my channel for more fun. We will learn more functions into my next class. Take care, guys. Have a good day.